Hey guys, it's Miss Irving. We are here today again with Milo the Rover, and we have added something onto him that we actually talked about in our Spy Robot video. So if you haven't watched that one already, go take a look and that'll make this one make more sense. So we have added our motion sensor, and then we're gonna see what happens when we have our little Harry Potter spider. He's a good spider this time. He's happy. He's just chilling over here with our flowers, and we're gonna see what happens when Milo passes by and his little motion sensor senses the spider in the flowers. So I'm gonna press play on my coding here. So let's run that again just so that you can make sure you see what's going on. So, our Milo here has a motion sensor connected to him. And we have programmed our motion sensor to sense our little spider in our flower and do something when it does sense that. So, let's read this coding like a sentence. When we press play, the speed is going to go at 4. The motor is going to turn this way. And our motion sensor is waiting for something to pass in front of it. And when something passes in front of it, this is what happens. The motor stops running, so the robot stops moving, and then it also plays a little noise. So let's try changing the speed to 2, and then let's change the noise to this. So let's see what happens. And I'm gonna have him moving like this. All right, so he moved a lot slower and he made a different sound. So the only thing we really changed about Milo here is we just added this sensor and then we connected it to the block here. So for today, what I want you guys to do is either with Legos, or if you don't have Legos with a drawing, I want you to build or draw a little motion sensor like this. And you can add your own little characters that it's sensing. All right, I'll see you next time.